Yeah, this is Lake Naivasha guys. Tumetoka Nairobi, Hapa niko na mbugi yangu.
Naitwa Poli.
Yeah, and Mr. Who? Savika. This is the Nairobi Urban Entertainment. Tumeingia Lake Naivasha mazeni, adventure after adventure. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lake Naivasha. Manganya zimefika man. Let's now enjoy the place. Let's get to explore the place one-on-one. Tujue form ni gani man. Can have a look. Kani wase wote wamekuja hii area to nice. I can get to zoom in. Perhaps you can have a look. Gari ni kama zote man. The area is definitely expecting even more people before end of day, because right now we're recording at about 5:20 p.m. but still more guys are coming in, and of course some are leaving. So let's now get to the lakeside. To on the lakeside, what's the name of those birds, man? I get to comment hapo chini kwa comment section, mazi tuambie jina ya hawa birds ni nini, wanaitwaje hawa ndege? Sitaki kuambia, tuambia tukifika kwa lake. So wanaitwaje? Hey, activities bado ni mingi nilivyosema. So guys, yeah, we're heading to the lake. Unaweza iona kwa mbali pale hivyo, but I want to get closer and even get to zoom more closely ndo upate kupiga look vizuri what is going on right here man. Au sio? Tusonge zaidi. Tuko tumefika area, tuko ndani ya the compound, ama the path leading to Lake Naivasha. So tuko kwa vicinity ya lake. Unaweza cheki as I showed you hapo hivyo, as I've just shown you, gari zimepark kibao. Guys have just come to have fun. Kuna vitu mbili tatu surrounding, of course kuna watu wamebangaiza, watu wamechill. Yeah, they're doing the business. Kuna mahoteli hapo kando wanaita matufish nini pale. So a lot is basically happening. But right now I want to take us to the lake. Ndege wangu bado ndo hao bana. I told you guys to you can have a look at the birds. Yeah, I told you guys to come to the comment section and just give me a comment. Hao ndege wanaitwa namna gani? So yeah, I'm waiting for the comments to have a look. Whether you guys mlifanya bit of social studies kwa Gen Z ama mlifanya GHC zetu back in the day. Yeah guys, so kuna a lot of activities ina happen pale kwa lake, boat riding nini, lakini manze sitaki kumaliza utamu. I want us to get in there. We get to have a look. Tukisha have a look basi ndio sasa tunaanza kuambia ni nini imekubamba amongst all the activities that you've checked out. Nini imekunice, ama kumeenda vipi? Yeah. So in a minute or so, or should I just keep going this way? If I get to turn, you can see the water, right? You can see much, but I want to give you the front view of what is happening. So right now, let's just keep on. Yeah, we're about a few meters, maybe 100 meters or so from the lake. It's very sunny. It's really sunny. Very sunny, in fact. And there's a lot of dust. If I can just kind of take a view of my shoes, trousers. I'm really messy, man. It's really dusty. Yeah, so guys, we're getting closer and closer to the lake. As you can see, there is a lake, but I'll still get closer. So I'm just trying to do this so that you don't get bored following me as we move to have a look at the lake, have a look at the ostriches. So finally I've given you the name of the birds that I've been asking you about, guys. The birds are called ostriches. So kuna two building kadhaa, as you can see in this compound. Kuna vitu kadhaa yeah, probably to host guests. When guests come in, there's a car park, there's a bit of hotels here and there, places where people can snack when they come by to have a look at the lake. This is a lake that you learned about back in the day, GNC geography. but I've not had an opportunity to visit it and maybe take a boat ride and something of the sort. So that's why I'm here right now, to get to have an experience of the lake. Yeah, guys. So as you can see, we're already at the lakeside, but in a minute or so, we'll be inside the lake. Inside meaning we get to have a boat ride. Yeah, probably test a thing or two. Get to have an experience of the whole place. So yeah, guys. I think there's a couple that just married today. You can see, I'm trying to zoom that vehicle. It's a bit far. There's a vehicle that his Don just married. So I was having a look at it. It's right there, man. Let me try to zoom it in. Yeah, just married. I don't know whether you're able to see that. Yeah, so let's head to the lake, guys. I told that in a minute or so we'll be in the lake, and there we are. You can see a number of motorboats right there. These are meant to take guys into the lake. As you can see, there's one that is fast approaching where we are right now. Yeah, so guys are coming in. They've just had their walk, or rather their, I can't call it a swim because they are not really swimming, but it was just their trip on water. So they're coming to just to the shore so they can go out. Maybe yeah, they're done with the lake. They now go walk and maybe watch ostriches. Not ostriches per se, but flamingos. Yeah, so they should now go and watch the flamingos out there. I'll just take you around, maybe show you a few boats here and there, guys boarding the boats and all that. Yeah, we'll call it a day, right? So let's go. We can see some people having their, what do I call it really? Their trip in the sea, rather their trip in the lake over there. Try to zoom and seem to get a good view of the people. So basically it's really nice. You can see the other side as well, guys are getting in. So a lot is happening right now. So let's just get to enjoy the moment. So enjoy the moment with me. Assume that you are with me right here, man. Yeah. So let's enjoy, let's get as close as we can to the water. Yeah, so there you go, there you go. Yeah. Where the extent of where my eyes can get to. A number of guys are there just enjoying taking photos because I mean it's a whole experience. Couples are over there just enjoying the moment, and the guys taking photos of their beautiful wife, girlfriend or whatever, because they don't really know about personal issues. So there you go, man. a number of boats that are just closer to me. So instead of me going to the whole other place to just show you boats, here they are. You can get to have a closer look. They're well painted. They have their engines over there. They're just waiting for passengers to come in. Unfortunately, I have some phobia for water, guys. No? I really fear water, so I'm unable to take a boat ride unless maybe I get confidence from a number of people. That's when I'll maybe get to give it a try. Right now, let's just keep it as is. Let's keep it as is for now. But if I gather confidence at some point, then definitely I'll get to give it a try. So there you go. I'm just giving you a round trip of the whole place. And you're of course able to get a view. So guys, let's keep subscribing, let's keep sharing, let's keep liking, and let's keep commenting. We want Savik TV to grow to maybe 10,000 subscribers by the end of March. So guys, getting to watch, getting to subscribe, getting to share. I'll see you. Let's keep going. Yeah. So I'm sharing another. The video is not yet done, so yeah, we'll keep sharing a few snippets here and there till it gets to end. So stay with me. We are still at Lake Naivasha. As you can see, guys are still coming in, even though it's late. It's almost getting to 5:40 p.m. East African time. So guys are still coming in, thick and fast. I can call it so. I can refer to it. So guys are coming in. Just have a look at the lake. Probably have a boat ride. Enjoy some fish over here. And some, of course, I equally enjoy the breeze. Some water sports and stuff like that. So I want to take you closer to another section because I just showed you one section where we get boats. So I want to take you to another section where we equally have a number of boats, and so that you can get to have a look at it. Perhaps even get to hear the rates, how much they're charging for one to have a boat ride. So let's just go and check it out. And of course, there's a bit of noise that you'll be hearing because some guys are logging some trees over here, perhaps to clear and give some space. So those are the guys. They're logging some trees over here. There is a lake. The lake is really massive, as I have been saying from the start of the video. Yeah, so you see the place. Of course, birds everywhere, man. Birds are everywhere. We're told that right now snakes can really harm us because we want to get to the area where we've snakes as well. So guys, let's get into that other part where we bought so that you can get to ask about the rates and perhaps give you guys a feel of what Lake Naivasha is all about. Yes, stay tuned, guys. So one thing that is notable is that this place is equally children's our kids play area, because as you can see, the kids, they have just come. They're getting balloons here and there. Someone's balloon is running away, so they're getting balloons over there. They're getting a horse ride here, and of course a lot of other things actually get to happen at the end of the day. So let's check out what's going down as we get closer and closer to the lake. I don't want to zoom. I just want to be right there where the entire action is happening. So as I said, this other side there's quite a number of boats. You can see the millions and millions, not millions per se really, but there are many boats. Majority of them parked, of course, because guys probably want they basically want a better deal. So, and I guess people are not enough. The resources are too many compared to the people around. So perhaps that is why they're not in use. So let me get closer. If they allow me to film, then I get to show you much.
Yeah, this is Lake Naivasha, guys. Tumetoka Nairobi, hapa niko na mbugi yangu.
Naitwa Poli.
Yeah, and Mr. Who?
Savik.
This is the Nairobi Urban Entertainment. Tumeingia Lake Naivasha mazee, ni adventure after adventure after adventure. Alafu next week nasikia tuko wapi hiyo?
Watu watembee Kenya.
Tuko Longonot. That is
Longonot.
Yeah, this is
join us please.
Wambi experience kwa aje uko is experience here bana.
Moto man, ina nice but check kwanza hiyo breeze. Hey, the breeze is amazing.
Tuonyeshe hiyo view.
Ina nice.
Najua mahali.
View ni mambo mbaya. View.
Yeah, show the view. This is the Naivasha guys. This is unalipa the boat at a very cheap price, unapelekwa kwa adventure kwa lake.
Okay, let's go. We're headed there. We just want to have a boat ride.
Yeah, tunatembea Kenya. This is #tembea Kenya explore adventure manzi.
Sio. Na kama kawaida jo, keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep liking ndo channel pia grow sio.
Na kwa adventure usikose adventure nyingine.
Ili waone kwenye tunaenda.
Longonot manzi next week. Yeah, book. Unatembezwa Kenya unasikia. Tunasikia fresh barida.
Subscribe ukitaka kuona more and more videos.
Yeah, hapo unasikia fresh barida. Ubebo tu kam explore Kenya, acha kukaa Nairobi. Kama ni wa Nairobi bana. Uje place
kali. Acha
kuona tu nganya na nyumba.
Unaona nini?
So let's enjoy the boat ride, man.
This is the boat ride at Lake Naivasha manze. Check Mr. Savik. Mr. Savik.
Yes. Tuko Vasha. Tuko Vasha. Sikuwa na confidence ya kuingia ndani.
Bro, hata si hatuna confidence lakini. Hadi sisi hatuna confidence lakini tumeenda.
Manzi, tulikuwa tunaogopa hii maji.
Ndio hiyo. Mtajiwatch. Savik TV on YouTube, eh?
Savik TV.
Savik. Ati Savik.
Utajiona.
So to enjoy tuko acha to enjoy boat ride pole. Check in namna gani?
Yeah, tunataka kwenda wapi? We are starting with the place ya Hippo.
Tunaenda kuona mahipo
pale island.
Enjoy.
Naona there is a certain kuna certain bad inafuata. Bora tuende.
You people make sure next time you come with us. Sawa, msikose.
Pale YouTube Savik TV manzi, hapo utapata updates
subscribe. Tutawapeleka, tutatembea na nyinyi Kenya.
Manzi, that in Lake Naivasha, guys. Sasa
hiyo jina ni mrefu sana, inakuwa ngumu kuspell. Yeah, so guys, you can see matetu na deeper
come with us. Yeah, baby wallahi.
But right,
come with us.
Ule mseme hata nikiwaje.
Ukisikia tu hakikisha wazee
kitu manager yani less than 10 dollars
for affordable plus you enjoy.
picha pale ucheki nyaje leo tumesikia kamera but savage
lakini simu nimekutambua
sawa tuzidi
Unaenda kwa island?
Kutoka hapa tunaenda not ka island per se but like kuna area tunaenda ya kupiga picha hapo.
Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more and more. Subscribe my people. Tutawatembeza Kenya by the way.
Au sio.
Kabisa.
Hiyo maji bana si
Hey,
you are getting that experience ya maji kama utoke usiku.
Si lazima waende Mombasa wapate boat.
Si lazima Mombasa, you can still get that fun hapa hivi.
Live nimechomeka na dress.
Unasikia una cool.
imetuchoma haki wale juu na
Kuna challenge fulani ilifanywa na jamaa anajiita Agent of Laughter, sijui kama umeiona. Yenye msana akakoleka alafu simu inadunda alafu msana mtolea ndani na akamkoa. So naogopa man. Simu inaweza dunda.
Simu inaweza dunda. Alafu nidundishe simu yenyewe.
Mazee inadunda alafu content yote ipotee. Simu ni live. Simu ni live bana. Content ipotee.
next time msiate.
This is fun. Like for real. Ikitu ni fun.
Ati kitu tunasikia ni fun.
Haya ni baya uanga
very bad.
Very bad. Asitinga
Very bad man. Lakini
ni tembea wapi?
Tembea Kenya man.
Tembea Kenya. Tembea na sisi.
So sijui hizo
kuna kitu sielewi my friend kuna kitu sielewi ya miti kwa maji bana. Kwani kuna roots meda like how deep is
this is deep.
Yeah,
Hizi roots
deep. Ni mrefu. So maze tuko about kufika hiyo point ya kuona mahipa jo.
Naona kuna place kumejengwa looking nice.
Check out that
Maji na
hiyo view man. Place is dope
sana.
Very dope. Lakini ni hao wenye wanafika bei man. Si ya kila mtu. Sisemi nyinyi, nasema si ya kila mtu yani. Si unaona ni wachache wako ndani. Wengi tumekuja place public. Pesa lazima.
Watu watafute pesa. Guys.
Inakuaje wewe?
Kitu umeshtuka bana. Hatujui kuswim bana.
Mimi sijaijua kuswim man. Wewe. Hatujui kuswim bana. Tunaweza baki hapa.
Hata ujue kuswim utachoka. Before ufike huko. Ni uko na nguo.
Utachoka. Shindo inakuaje?
Phobia tu kwa nayo ya maji.
Niko na phobia mbaya sana.
Wengine wakiwa phobia height, lakini height can you tell me kati ya phobia height na maji kai wewe unaweza prefer gani?
Afadhali ya height.
Maji.
Wewe uchagua
hapa wewe hakuna.
Eri maji.
Ile ni hipo. Ina si ni hipo. Hii
ni hipo hii.
Hii ni hipo. Twende hapo tusikie venye inafanya.
Buda hiki tunaweza capsize bana.
Hadi ni mti.
Kwani hizo hipo ziko wapi? Wako wapi?
Kuna wenye wako nje.
Hizo wapi?
Wale bana.
Mimi nadhani ni pigs.
Can you view the point man?
Mimi niko nadhani ni pigs bana.
Mimi nadhani ni mamiti zimelala tu hapo like wow. Yaani ni wanyama wametulia hivi.
Man.
Hii ni hipo imekaa hapa hivi.
Hii ni
Yeye acha hii.
Yule unaona hapo mbele yako?
Ako wapi?
Huyo mwenye ako hapo mbele.
Nimemcheki.
Hiyo na hii kwani kuna tofauti?
Hii ni mti. Yule ana
move.
I move, wala hii move bana.
Twende tuigotee.
I move.
Angalia hiyo sunset sasa. Sunset sasa, mambo mbaya.
Very bad.
Hiyo sunset man.
Wazungu wanachemka ujinga kai. Sasa ujinga wazungu wanarukanga mali kama hapa.
Manze jo.
Go inside and see what is happening.
Wamekufa.
Wanataka kusample.
Wazungu wanakanga mali kama hapa anaona. Hii area ni kama haoni feel. Can you go inside and see what is happening?
Maze.
And they like risking.
Wanapenda kurisk. Kuexplore. Hawezi sema ni wana risk, wanasema
nao ndo maana unapatanga wameinvent vitu mingi tu wanataka
sunset maze.
Unachukue kamboto tukiwa ndani ya maji
So we are shooting this at 6 p.m. East African time ndani ya Naivasha. Sunset inaweza mambo mbaya au sio bana?
Sawa. Nairobi ni jam pekee. Nairobi ni jam.
Unaona nini Nairobi?
Mara hiyo mshapata habari. Breeze inaweza. There we go. There
is something inaishtua tuko achafu na tuko kwa maji. Vumbi na tuko kwa maji.
Hata ukioga unajipanguza gana tawel na inachafuka jo. So
ile masaa tulikuwa na jua. Ingekuwa tushafika au si. Tunapanguza viatu tukizikausha na jua. Hiyo jua wala inachoma mbaya.
So there you go.
Kuna jua. Sasa hii nasema tukikuja.
There you go.
Sasa jua
unapata view ya maji man. Yaani hapo live.
Lakini kitu kifikie duka hizi unaonea tu kwa social media kama
mshasema. So tunarudi mahali tulianzia safari jo. Kuna boat ina approach hapo hivyo, you can just have a look at the boat man.
Peleka katoi soon man. Oh, that's amazing.
Hey jo, inategemea na mfuko.
Watu wako na pesa bwana. Yaani sisi tumejaa hapa. Hapa mwingine amepeleka peke yake.
Maze. Yo.
Like what? Wanapiga manyoka mpaka kwa bwana.
Maze, hiyo hiyo ni mbaya.
Ana ni manyoka ni
hiyo waka very bad. Hiyo ni ya barabara.
Nizumia watu.
Manyoka.
Manyoka alikuwa lake.
Mazejo. Manyoka tuachie opposite. Allah. Yo, tumefika sasa, ni zile magida za
kuna mtu ameshikilia hivi board.
Kuna invisible hand
chini, mwenye anaipeleka hapa chini.
Kuna ka invisible hand mahali kanashikilia, kananisha kila kitu inafanyika vile inafaa. So mazee, ndo sisi hao tumerudi, tumemaliza shughuli mpaka so the boat ride is done.
Like there is even a stand on
the boat ride is done guys. So yeah, we now about to just oh man, kuna clash hapo ya boats manze.
Kwani si tuende mbele? Kwani hatuendi?
Yo,
kwani haturudi?
Kwa boats zinagongana hapo na nini, but it's a minor thing, so we definitely sorting it out. Hiyo tunaendelea tunataka kumalizia ride hapa. Tunamalizia ride hapa.
Venye ziko parking.
Tunamalizia zingine ziko parking pale. Yo, we done. Sasa ni kupaka alafu tupate kushuka shughuli ziishe. So I'm now flipping tuone mbele kuko aje. Yeah, so manze tunataka kupiga parking sasa.
Yani kuna that sasa manze anataka kujua ku rate this.
Angalia. So hivyo ndio hii area inakaa, tumekuja kupiga parking hapo. Boti tumefika parking, tumefika mwisho, tuko kwa shows za lake wale, sasa ni kushuka alafu. Yo, so keep subscribing, share, like manze Savik TV all day every day out.